This is 2020 and almost everyone watches YouTube, has a YouTube channel, or is thinking of starting a YouTube channel. Now, if you are this third person and you want to figure out how to start, make sure you keep on watching so you do not miss any insightful tip. So hi guys, I'm Yindaa, in case you're just seeing this face for the very first time, and I basically help out content creators to figure out this whole content creation process. I give you tips and tricks to make the whole process quicker. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on my post notifications so you never miss any insightful video, okay? Great. So the first tip for starting out a YouTube channel in 2020 is creating a YouTube plan and setting up goals. You want your channel to be successful, yes? I thought so. Now, if you don't do these things, you're literally going to be directionless. So while you're creating your YouTube plan and setting your goals, you need to ask yourself, what do you want your channel to be about? What type of content are you trying to provide to your viewers? You need to figure out all these things in order for you to actually be able to have a foundation. Your plan and your goals are literally the foundation for your YouTube channel. Trust me. If you create a YouTube plan, you're able to figure out your content strategy, figure out your branding for your channel. You're not just going with the flow and going with the wind. If you end up doing that, your channel is going to grow as much as it should. Having a plan and having your goals set, it just makes it easier for you to fall back on when you're feeling a bit confused. When I started, I was confused at some point. I did not have a plan. I did not create goals. I was just going with the flow. I'll be advising you to actually take time, create a plan, set goals, so you're able to just kick off this beautiful journey seamlessly. Okay, so the second tip for starting out a YouTube channel is starting with what you have. Now wait, I know a lot of people say this. It is actually true. Lots of us tend to not start immediately when the idea pops in our head because we're trying to be perfect. But guess what, guys? There is nothing like perfection. Now, if you have a decent phone that records at least 1080p, then you're good to go. If you don't have a ring light yet, you can use natural light, because natural light is literally the best source of light. Get a nice background. It can be your plain white wall. You can decide to dress it up. By the way, if you want background setup videos, make sure you comment down below. Back to what I was talking about. Your phone is literally all you need to start, because you can record good quality content on your phone. The audio of your phone is good. You can edit on your phone because there are great video editing apps that you can install on your phone. You don't have to wait till you get the camera, the lighting, the setup. I started out using my 6S. Literally, this video you're watching now and my previous video, I just started filming with my 11 Pro Max. I'm still using a phone to record, guys. Now, although you're starting with what you have, I would also advise that you start to save up and invest in getting equipment. Because for me, as I started out with my 6S, I started saving up to later on buy lighting, buy this, buy that, just to add on to my equipment to make the quality of my video better. So imagine if you buy all these equipment and then you start YouTube and then you figure out that you're not doing YouTube anymore. What's going to happen to all your equipment? The phone is literally all you need to start off, okay? Third tip I'm going to be giving you is to be confident. If you want to be on YouTube, you have to appear like you know what you're saying. You can see how I'm talking to you now. I have your attention, I'm looking into your eyes, and I'm telling you that I know what you need to do to be able to start a YouTube channel. You have to be confident, because if you're not confident, if you're talking like this, hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips to start a YouTube channel in 2020, and yeah, just keep on watching. The first 10 seconds you're going to click off, because it's like, girl, do you mean business? You either go big or you go home. Talk to the camera confidently. Now, comment down below if you want a video on how to get comfortable in front of the camera, and I got you. I'll make a video on that, giving you tips to kill this recording process. If you appear shy or you're not speaking out loud, you're not looking into the camera, you're looking away. So imagine if I was talking and I keep on looking away. Be confident, okay? If you want to start a YouTube channel, I advise that you have video ideas already. So you've written down about 20 to 100 video ideas. You do this because you want to have like a basic knowledge on the type of content you want to create. As you're writing these video ideas, I would advise that your first 10 videos are experimental videos. So they're going to be different types of videos. This is just your testing phase. You don't know what your audience like to see. So your first 10 videos should be like an experiment where you just test out different videos, and whichever type of content you see that your audience resonates with, those are the type of content that you should actually focus on. Because niching down at the very beginning, I'm not saying do not niche down, niching down at the very beginning just limits you. You have no idea what your potential audience would like to see. Now, after those 10 videos, you then take a step back, look at the engagement, look at the reaction, and then you can now pick out the type of content that your audience likes to see, and then you can go ahead to niche down. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you already have video ideas written down, you don't have to take much time figuring out what next you need to record. You just have a bank that you can withdraw from when you want to record. A lot of people think YouTube is so easy, like you just come in front of the camera, talk, and then the video is up. Guys, there is a whole lot more that goes into YouTube, and this is why you need to be willing to learn and research. Yes, prepare your mind. Let yourself know right now, if you want to start a YouTube channel this year, let yourself know that you need to be doing some researching and you need to be learning some new skills. You need to be able to learn how to do graphics for your banner, for your thumbnail, for your end cards. You need to be able to learn how to edit in case you don't know how to edit yet. You need to be able to research SEOs, algorithms, analytics. There's so much you need to learn before coming on YouTube, because guys, it's more than just the videos. So open up your mind. If you can start researching and learning skills now, go on ahead to do that, okay? So this tip is a tip I never play with: quality over quantity. In as much as you want to be consistent, you should never, ever, ever, ever compromise on your quality. I do not play with quality. Your audio, your video, and your lighting, they need to be good. And I know you're thinking, well, I'm just starting out. Yes, you can produce quality content with this your phone. Comment, guys. I'm plugging you guys. Like, I'm just plugging you guys. Let me know if you want to see a video on how to record on your iPhone, and I would come through with that video, because I am just trying to help you. I'm trying to give you ways, solutions, so that you can start this YouTube channel. I am your plug. I am here for you. I'll definitely be making a video about that, so make sure you turn on my post notifications, okay? Now trust me guys, once you've sorted out your good audio, your good lighting, your clear video, and a decent edit, you are good to go. So I don't want reasons, I don't want excuses, I don't want fear stopping you from starting a channel this 2020. If it's been on your mind, I want you to start. Yes, you have to start. Another tip is thumbnails. You need to pay attention to thumbnails. You know the saying that says, do not judge a book by its cover? It does not apply here. People would judge and would click on your video based on what your thumbnail looks like. Your thumbnail needs to be eye-catching, it needs to be clear, it needs to relate to what your title is. Don't go and do clickbait things. No, that's not nice. Now, if you have a poorly done thumbnail, the chances of people actually clicking on it is very low. Aside from your family and friends, you also want people to see your thumbnail and actually be willing to click on your video so that they can watch. So you need to be able to create decent looking thumbnails. That's what's going to determine your click-through rate. So make sure your thumbnails are popping. It needs to be popping. Now guys, this tip is very important. You need to be cautious of the type of music that you use on your videos so that you do not get copyrighted. I literally have so many copyrighted videos. I had no idea about this when I started. What happens when you get copyrighted? The video now belongs to the person that owns the song. So if by chance when your channel gets monetized, the coins made on that video goes to the person that owns the song, because it's been copyrighted. You do not have the right to use the song on the video, and you should not be using the song on the video. So you need to make sure that the songs you use on your videos are not copyrighted. Now, if you want to find out if a song is copyrighted, what you can actually do is when you upload your video, do not make the video public, make it private. Now, this means that only you sees it, the public can't see it. Now, once it's on private, you'll be able to see if the song is copyrighted, because YouTube would notify you with the copyright claim. Now, this might take a bit of time, maybe 30 minutes, an hour. Just leave the video on private for a bit and then go back to check if YouTube has notified you. If it has, you definitely have to replace the song you've used with a non-copyrighted song. Now, comment down below if you want a video on how to get non-copyrighted music, and I got you. I'm your plug, guys. I am your plug. Now that we're on this tip, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications if you haven't yet. Also, smash that like button so I know that you're enjoying this content so far. That's what this tip is. Reminding your viewers to subscribe and like your videos, because for some reason, people forget to actually subscribe and like or leave a comment. I don't know what it is, I don't know why, but you need to constantly be reminding your viewers to subscribe, like your video, and leave a comment, because this helps to boost your channel. It tells YouTube that the people that are watching your video actually like your video, they like it enough to leave a comment, they like it enough to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So when people carry out these actions on your videos, YouTube tends to push it out to more people to watch. So always remind people to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, do that, and comment down below. Now, starting out on YouTube, you need to be ready to shamelessly promote yourself. This is one thing I do because you are your #1 fan. If you do not promote yourself, nobody else will. Because me personally, I promote the hell out of myself, and people see me doing this, they pick up on that, and they also help me promote my content. Post it on your IG story. You can also ask your friends to help you share it on their social media platform, tweet about it, post it on your Snapchat story, post it on your WhatsApp status, share it in groups. Do whatever you need to do to get it out there. You need to market your content, because if you're not marketing it, if you're not putting it out there, who's going to watch it? All the effort you're putting into making a video, it all goes to waste because you are not ready to promote. You need to promote yourself. Get that quality content out there, okay? This tip is so important because a lot of people that start out YouTube channels always do this, and this is sub for sub. This is literally just going to anybody that has a YouTube channel and saying,
oh, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll subscribe back to your YouTube channel, and yay, we've gained a subscriber.
No, you haven't gained a genuine subscriber. You haven't gained a genuine viewer. You haven't gained this. You've just gained one number. You want subscribers that subscribe to your videos and stick with you and actually watch your videos. Majority of the time, when you sub for sub, you really end up not watching the content that you have subscribed to because you're just doing it for the numbers. And this can actually affect your channel badly, because if the person that has subscribed to your channel isn't really feeling your content, and when you upload, they decide to check out your video and in less than 30 seconds, they leave the video, YouTube is going to read that as a bad video because you're not retaining your audience. And if you have a bunch of people that you've done sub for sub and they're doing this to your video is not going to be pushed out by YouTube. So sub for sub needs to stop, okay? You need to get yourself genuine subscribers, people that actually like your video content, so that they can stick around and actually watch your video. And now for the bonus tip. If you want to know how to upload a video to YouTube and retain the quality, you need to follow me on Instagram. Yes, follow me on Instagram and send me a DM specifying that you want the bonus tip from this video. Just say, hi Yindaa, I would like to get the bonus tip from the tips for starting out a YouTube channel. And I will send you a descriptive short video explaining this process. It's so simple, guys. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on my post notifications, leave a comment down below, and head over to my Instagram, follow me, and send me a DM, and you'd have your bonus today. See you guys in my next video.